Installing a fence in a paver deck can be intimidating at first, but with a little good information and the right tools, you can be confident in a good install. Before you drill and drive the PVC sleeves into the deck, take some time to understand how a paver deck is constructed, and be cautious of water lines, electrical lines, and drain pipes. For a 1-inch fence, you'll need 1-inch Schedule 40 gray PVC and a 1 3/8 inch core drill bit. For a peg-style fence, you'll need 1/2 inch Schedule 80 PVC and a 7/8 inch core drill bit. To avoid cracking and breaking the pavers, you should try to lay out your fence in a seam between two pavers. It's not always possible to control, but the seam or the middle of the paver would be the best placement. Take the time to check your drilling angles. You will want to exaggerate any angled hole by 1 or 1.5 degrees. You will hammer in the PVC until it stops. If you have excess PVC, you can cut it off and then finish it off with a sleeve driver. Now that you have the PVC sleeves in the deck, you can go ahead and install the fence as usual.